Welcome back to Fashion Style. If you're looking for a luxurious, elegant watch with stunning details without breaking the bank, then this video is for you. Today, I have something truly special. I'll be unboxing two breathtaking diamond watches from Pascal, an American brand founded in 2022, known for its high-end craftsmanship, lab-grown diamonds, and premium materials. And the best part? I have a special discount code just for my subscribers. So, make sure you watch till the end. The first thing that caught my attention when I received these watches was the luxurious packaging. They come in elegant green boxes, beautifully crafted with a soft velvet interior that adds a true touch of luxury and sophistication. It instantly gives you that high-end experience, making unboxing feel extra special. Inside, there's this elegant envelope, which includes a care guide for the watch and a short story about the brand, adding a thoughtful touch to the whole experience. And I love it when brands pay attention to the smallest details. Everything here feels so well thought out, from the warranty card to the extra screw for adjusting the bracelet and the care booklet. These details mean so much because they truly reflect the brand's professionalism and commitment to quality. This is not just any watch, it's a statement piece. Look at that unique oval shape, it's so elegant and feminine. And the diamonds? They're lab-grown, top-quality DF color with VVS VS clarity, so you get that luxurious shine without the crazy price tag. But wait, can we talk about this strap? This deep green color is absolutely gorgeous. It's giving vintage luxury but with a modern twist. And the premium leather? So soft, so comfortable. You can wear this all day. Now, let's talk details. Inside, you have a Swiss Ronda 762 movement for precision, and the face is protected by scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Because we all need a watch that stays flawless, right? Honestly, this is one of those pieces that make you feel put together the moment you put it on. It's luxury, it's timeless, and it's a total must-have. This is the timeless classic diamond watch, and let me tell you, it looks stunning. The dial has this delicate spiral pearl texture, and those sparkling diamonds? Pascal actually uses lab-grown diamonds that are just as brilliant as mined ones, but way more ethical. We love a sustainable luxury moment. Let's see how she looks on the wrist. Click OMG, it fits perfectly. And it feels so lightweight, yet super high-end. I love how it's elegant, but still minimal. Like, you can wear this with literally anything, from casual to dressy outfits. It has 11 lab-grown diamonds, a Swiss Ronda 763 movement, and a stainless steel bracelet plated with vermeil gold, which, if you don't know, is a super thick gold layer that lasts way longer than normal plating. And the sapphire crystal glass, scratch-resistant, so your watch stays flawless for years. Imagine this with a chic blazer and gold jewelry, or even a cute brunch outfit. Pascal definitely nailed the everyday luxury vibe. Now, let's talk about value. A watch like this from brands like Cartier or Rolex would cost you thousands, but Pascal gives you the same luxe look and high-quality materials for just a fraction of the price. The diamonds, Swiss movement, sapphire crystal, this is what you'd expect from a watch in the $215 range. If you're looking for a luxurious timepiece with royal-level details without spending a fortune, Pascal is the perfect choice for you. Use the exclusive discount code in the description to get 15% off your order. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and let me know which watch was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Monster!